There are two official records. Number 1, the fastest time to solve 3 Rubik's Cubes while juggling them, currently held by Lee Zihao. And 2, the fastest time to solve a cube while also juggling 2 other objects. My goal this year is to do the first, which is by far the harder challenge, but I've never tried the second one. Juggling 2 in one hand, solving a cube one-handed, should be easy, right? Let's scramble this up. Here we go, first attempt. Ah, well, already I'm learning this is actually quite tricky. Okay, matched an edge. That's good going so far. Ah, another go. It's not as easy as I thought it was going to be. It's pretty tough. I made a white cross, got to F to L, and then, well, it all fell down. I'll keep practicing that, so hats off Ethan Jan for doing that in just over 12 seconds.